Hi there, students. A bin, a countable noun. To bin as a verb, to throw in the bin. Okay, to me as a Brit, the bin is the rubbish bin. This is where you put the rubbish. A waste paper bin, a rubbish bin, a dustbin. Okay, this is where you put the rubbish, a bin, a container for rubbish or waste. The Americans, however, use the word can, a garbage can, a trash can. But there are lots of words for a waste bin. Okay, a bin, though, is more generally just a storage container. So a coal bin. There's a coal bin outside where we keep the coal and we go and fill up the coal scuttle from time to time. There is a corn bin where we keep the animal food. A wine bin. Okay, it's a container for a wine bin is a container for bottles of wine. So a bin, it's a container, some sort of storage container. Yeah, a wheelie bin, one of these green things with a wheel at the bottom so you can wheel it all over the place. Yeah, a bin, a container, a receptacle, a container for rubbish, a container for waste. Notice as well, bin, a noun, as in Osama bin Laden, bin in Arabic meaning son of, bin, son of. Okay, but a bin, a container. A container for waste, a litter bin, a rubbish bin, a recycling bin for old newspapers, bottles and cans. Come on, bin it, throw it in the bin. Yeah? Okay, so to bin, to throw away. I think we ought to bin this old sofa. I think we should bin this idea. So notice now we've gone further than just to throw away, is to get rid of rubbish. Okay, so to bin something, to throw it away. I think we should bin the this idea and try a new way. The company binned all of their IT staff. Okay, so to bin, to throw away, to discard or reject. We binned the whole idea. To bin, to store something, especially wine, in a bin. Okay, paint the bottles to indicate which way up they should be binned. Okay, so to bin, but a bin, a container, is where things are kept. So you have a bin liner, the piece of plastic that goes inside the waste paper bin. You've got a bin man, a dustbin man, a dustman. Yeah, the bin men are the people who come and pick up your rubbish. Okay, so a bin man. A loony bin. Okay, a place for lunatics. So yeah, I think our society bins people in the loony bin. Okay, so a bin, but the recycling bin. Yeah, it's the place where the recycling goes. Okay, so a bin, a garbage bin, a garbage can. The Americans are going to call this a can. A container, or an enclosed space. It could even be an enclosed space for storage. I guess you could have bins in the hold of a ship, bins for corn, for example. And then to bin, to place or to store in a bin. You could have a bread bin. It's like a container for bread to keep the mice away from it and to keep it and to stop it drying out so much. Okay, so a bin. A dustbin, a bread bin, a rubbish bin. Yeah, there are all sorts of bins. But notice the Americans use the garbage can, the garbage. But I would say the dustbin or just the bin. I think the dustbin's probably, yeah, okay, the dustbin is outside and the bin men come once a week to empty the bin for you. Okay, bin, formality. This is a 5 in formality. Use anywhere. The loony bin, a 3 in formality, but the others, a wine bin, a wheelie bin, these are all 5s in formality. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Old English binna, a crib, a manger, a place for babies, but this comes from Proto-West Germanic binna, from Gaulish benna, a four-wheeled cart. Okay, so originally a bin was a cart. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bin.